Yo, what's good, everyone? Caught a banger setup today. Today is July 1st. I'll break down why I ended up taking this trade. So I did end up catching longs today. So we will go into 9:30 open here. So we had Powell speaking at 9:30. That didn't really do too much, but New York session opened right here. We were super choppy because we did have also red folder news at 10 a.m. So red folder news came out at 10 a.m. We created a nice data high right here. Price did come up. We swept out data highs and then got a reversal back to the downside. But I will turn on my equal high indicator here. So we can see that after price came up and swept out these data highs, we did make equal highs from this high over here. That is the reason I did not take shorts here. I just also didn't like my break-even point. But yeah, did not want to take shorts with these equal highs above. So after that, price ended up dumping about 250 points here. We'll do a little measurement from this high here to the low down here. So I can't see that. Let me move my screen over more. Okay, let's measure that again. Price dumped about 253 points. So massive sell-off here. Price was due for a move to the upside. So we ended up taking out this 4-hour low. I'll jump on the 4-hour time frame here. So going into the 4-hour, we have a super obvious wick here. Price ends up coming down, sweeping that out. We are also delivering out of a bullish 4-hour gap as well. This was also a daily bullish fair value gap. So we can see here, daily bullish fair value gap. We got really good momentum off of the sweep, immediate reaction back to the upside here. And we have a bearish 1-minute fair value gap that we fly straight through. Great momentum, great speed. I enter right here. I moved my stop loss to break even at this first internal high, and I closed my full position at this internal high right here for about a 1 to 1.8 risk to reward. So the reason that I did not hold any higher is because of this bearish 5-minute gap. Price was already super I guess you could say bearish overall on the higher time frames. Price is bullish, but on the day today we did have a really big sell-off. So with that much, selling pressure, I'll jump on the 5-minute here. I'm not going to be greedy and try to hold, for some crazy risk to reward. We did have equal highs right here, but I'm not going to be greedy here. So we had this bearish 5-minute gap that, price could have came up and respected and continued going lower. So not going to be greedy at all. That's why I closed my position off of that high right there that was the bottom of the bearish 5-minute gap. So that was my trade for the day here. If you guys enjoyed this video, drop a comment down below. See you guys tomorrow.